we offer our stickers. I've infused them with just a lot of energy. So they have unconditional love, they have all the minerals, they have a lot of stuff to get rid of EMFs. So we're going to show how the muscle testing works. And so you can have both sizes, they're $20 a piece. And so you can do this on water bottles and actually infuse those minerals into your water. And so we're going to show this muscle testing with the before and after. So we're going to go ahead and have you, with holding the phone, we're going to push down. All right, and so then I'm going to have you have that on the phone, and we're going to show the difference. And so you're going to, can you feel the difference?
Yeah.
Yeah, yep. So just that on your phone is going to help neutralize the EMFs. And so, yeah.
Cool.
So let's try it again here. Okay, so again, I'm gonna that's how much the phone is negating your energy. So now we're gonna do it again. And you feel how it's a little stronger.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're just gonna we're gonna wait like just a little bit longer. Okay, now do it again. Okay. See, it's even stronger?
Yeah.
Yeah, the longer you have it on there.
Wow.
So this is available for you as well.